This YouTube Shorts series explores unconventional careers and follows repair cafe founders who turn discarded gadgets into community magic. Maya left a corporate finance job to launch a weekly repair cafe, teaching electronics and reviving broken laptops and lamps. She faced skepticism, liability fears, and parts shortages, solving them by partnering with schools and local makerspaces. Her work cuts waste, empowers teens, and funds future projects through affordable workshops and collaborative build nights. Viewers are invited to experiment, team up with neighbors, and see how reclaiming objects can spark durable careers.